Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to this lesson, which is sorting. What we're going to do here is we're going to learn how to sort in Excel using the sorting tool in order to sort this and any other version of data or information that we need to sort in order to get a very well ordered list, which we're going to use in our second lesson, which is consolidation, which we're going to use in this completely empty sheet. Now, first of all, look at this. This is not correct. It does not start in July and the year does not end in December. So what we're going to do is we're going to need to sort this because essentially what we need is an actual ordered list in order to use it in consolidation when we use here as months and then here using these other stuff. So first of all, first step is we highlight the entire area, month, year, month, fixed costs, material costs, labor costs, price, percent effective, percent return, and quantity produced. It's very important to highlight the entire thing because if you only highlight this, it's just going to have an error, which makes sure that you have to actually select everything. So like this. So after we've selected everything, we first select this column to sort with. Now, year is completely nonsensical because everything's the same, so we're going to use month, since every month is different and there's no 2 months at the same time in a 1 year. After that, we sort values, which refers to the values of the cell inside, not to the color and not to the font. And then finally, we need to do the order. Now, A to Z and Z to A is not right because that's not how the calendar works. So we go to the custom list, and if you see here on the third one, we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This is the list that we need because look at this. Our data set only uses the first 3 letters of the calendar. If we use this one, it's not going to work because it needs the entire name. So we use this, short, and the order. Now, one very important thing to note, this must actually all equal to the same. If there's an extra letter here, like for example, becomes octo, it won't work correctly. I'll show you that later. First, we're going to sort it. Month, A to Z, no. January, February, and then sort. You see here. Now it's sorted correctly. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November, and December. And accordingly, all the other rows have also been sorted alongside and the columns. So you see here, January always has 1.9% effective. If we do Control Z, you can see January has 1.9% effective, while July has 2% effective. Control Y back, and here we go. It's the same thing. Now, to the 2015 data, you see it's the exact same problem. This is not correctly done, but let's just change something here. Let's change to October. We're going to show you what will happen if one of the values doesn't actually fit the other values. So, highlight, sort by month. Values, select custom list Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July. And then we set OK. So look, everything's sorted except for October because it's not in the list. So it's not recognized. So the computer puts it in the last part of it. That's the problem with this. So what we need to do is we need to change this to back to the abbreviated part, and then we sort it again. Sort, everything's the same, and then we see here. October is now sorted, and we have no more problems. Everything's fine, everything's dandy, everything's beautiful. For the next video, I'm going to talk about consolidation, which is basically the use of an Excel function in order to combine data from different sheets, which makes it easier considering Excel doesn't allow us to reference other sheets and normal functions. And that's all for today. Thank you, and good day.